In today's video, we are going to be showcasing our brand new MUA kit. So this kit is going to be perfect for you makeup artists out there who are looking to have the entire arsenal of the MoxieLash collection at your fingertips. In the kit, you get everything you're going to need in order to apply our lashes and make them look the best. So let's get into what you get inside of the kit. In the MUA kit, you are going to receive 2 baby lashes, 2 sexy lashes, 2 money lashes, 1 sassy lash, 1 bougie lash, 1 wifey lash, and 1 bossy lash. You're also going to get 2 of our original black mini liquid magnetic liners. They're just our normal magnetic liner, but in the mini travel size version. You're also going to get one of our original black magnetic liquid liners and also one of our original brown magnetic liquid liners. So of course, you're going to need to remove our beautiful lashes from your clients or from your own eyes eventually. So we do include 3 boxes of our magnetic eyeliner remover cotton swabs. And these are going to make the removal process a breeze. You're also going to get 2 of our eyeliner brushes and a MoxieLash cosmetic bag so that you can store all your stuff on the go. And of course, you're going to be getting a magnet because, hello, we are magnetic lashes and liner. And of course, you will also be receiving this in the PR box that it comes in. This kit will be perfect for you guys out there who work photo shoots where you're constantly changing the look. And the best thing about our lashes is that you can change an entire look by just changing the lash. You can change the entire mood of the look with just the lash. So these are gonna be perfect and will work in your favor. And because there's such a wide range of different lash styles, you'll be able to find a lash that works for any look. That is it for this video. Of course, you can find our MUA kit on our website. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in our next one.